Garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It is not only a popular ingredient in cooking but also renowned for its health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of garlic and the best ways to eat it to maximize its benefits. Boosts immunity. Garlic is a natural immunity booster. It contains compounds that help in fighting infections and keeping diseases at bay. Eating raw garlic every day can help to strengthen your immune system and prevent illnesses. Lowers cholesterol. Garlic has been found to have cholesterol lowering effects. Regular consumption of raw garlic can help to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in your blood, which in turn reduces the risk of heart diseases. Improves digestion. Garlic is known for its ability to stimulate digestion. Eating raw garlic can help to improve your digestive system by increasing the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve nutrient absorption. Fights cancer. Studies have shown that garlic has anti-cancer properties. Regular consumption of raw garlic can help to reduce the risk of various types of cancer, including colon, breast, and prostate cancer. Improves skin health. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help to fight against the free radicals that damage skin cells. Eating raw garlic every day can help to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin, reduces inflammation. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of raw garlic can help to reduce the symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Regulates blood sugar. Garlic has been found to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. Eating raw garlic every day can help to regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for people with diabetes. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help to fight off infections and reduce the severity of illnesses such as colds and flu. Brain health. Garlic has been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The compounds in garlic may help to protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Start with a small amount of raw garlic and gradually increase your intake. Consuming too much raw garlic at once can cause stomach upset, heartburn, and bad breath. Mix raw garlic with other foods or drinks to make it more palatable. Some ideas include adding raw garlic to a salad dressing, blending it into a smoothie, or adding it to hummus or guacamole. Avoid cooking garlic at high temperatures for extended periods, as this can destroy some of the beneficial compounds. Instead, add garlic towards the end of the cooking process to preserve its health benefits. It's important to note that while raw garlic has many potential health benefits, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle.